in such a great mood now. Hooray! Lemon Meringue is so grateful for your help. Cinnapuff. Tap the camera button. Say cheese. Picture perfect. Looks like her mood is getting brighter. One of the puppies needs some attention. You should go visit them. Wind up Huck's Petmobile to make it go. Hooray! That's exactly the toy she wanted. That's terrific! That's exactly what she wanted. Choose a tasty treat for your puppy. Keep tapping the treat until it's all eaten up. Yum! The other puppies are getting very lonely. Why don't you pay them a visit? Treat she wanted. Let's play. Keep winding the handle for a special surprise. Cinnapup's in such a great mood now. Great! Cherry Jam is so grateful for your help. If there's something a puppy really wants to do, you can tap on their wish bubble to help them do it. If there's something a puppy really wants to do, you can tap on their wish bubble to help them do it.